Hello dear friends, we are going to continue the next part of fourth topic, that's Phylum Platyhelminthes. So this Platyhelminthes, it says as the flatworm. First of all, we see the general characteristic features of the phylum Platyhelminthes. The first characteristic is the organism which is included in the phylum Platyhelminthes. It shows the organs and the organ systems. The second characteristic is there is the presence of the bilateral symmetry, means the organism when it cut in a one plane of vertical plane of division, it always shows the two equal parts. It always shows the two equal part, that's the right and the left halves, both are the same part, both having the same size. So it says as the bilateral symmetry. The organisms, they are the triploblastic, means the organism shows the distinct ectoderm, mesoderm and the endoderm. Three germ layer is here, so it says as a triploblastic. There is a absence of the body cavity, so it is says as the coelomate, means no coelom, no body cavity. Next characteristic where these organisms are found, they are mainly aquatic. Some are the endoparasites. So these liverflukes is the endoparasites. Some are the free swimming. The planaria, it's a free living forms of organisms. The next digestive system, it is an incomplete digestive system because there is a presence of a single opening is there, and this single opening, it is function as a mouth and the anus. Next characteristic is there is absence of the respiratory system. So these organisms is a tapeworm. That's a says as a flatworms also. The tapeworm, and the second one is a planaria. Reproduction, it is a asexual method that is occurred by means of the fragmentation. It's a very good example is the planaria. In the planaria, when this planaria is fully developed, it is fragmented it into the three part: anterior part, middle part and the posterior part, and each of this part it develops the entire organism, that is anterior, middle and the posterior one. These organisms are the shows the sexual reproduction also, means this sexual reproduction when it is occurred, the organisms which is included in the phylum Platyhelminthes, they are the hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means there is a presence of the male sex organ and the female sex organ, that is a testes and the ovaries, both it is present in the one and the same individual. Development is the indirect and there is a presence of mainly the larval stages. Next characteristic, that is a unique characteristic, is the body of the organism which is included in the phylum Platyhelminthes. They are the unsegmented, means there is absence of the segments. There is absence of segment as like that of the earthworm. अर्थवर्म में जैसे सेगमेंट्स होते हैं वैसे सेगमेंट्स यहाँ पे नहीं होते, सो यहाँ पे लिखा जाता है unsegmented. It is dorsiventrally flattened. You can see the organisms are the dorsiventrally flattened, except the tapeworm. The next one, it's a unique feature. There is the excretion, it's there, and this excretion, it is occurred by means of the flame cell. So this one is a flame cell, and this flame cell, it is present on the surface of the body, and this flame cell, it is a function as the excretion. That is called as a protonephridia. Next unique feature, there is a presence of the hook. So you can see here, there is a presence of the hook, and the second one is the sucker. In the parasitic form, means in the tapeworm, there is a presence of the hook and the sucker, and some absorbs the nutrient from the host through their body surface. It's a example, it's a Tania solium, that is a pork tapeworm, and the second example is a liverflukes, that is a fascicula, and the third example is a planaria. Afterward, we see the summary of all the these are phylum Platyhelminthes. The first characteristic, there is a presence of organ and the organ system. The body, it shows a bilateral symmetry. It shows a triploblastic, means a three germ layer is there. There is absence of body cavity, means the coelomate, they are mostly the aquatic. endoparasitic, and some are the free living forms of organism. The digestive system is incomplete, means there is a presence of the single opening, and this single opening it is function as a mouth and anus. Respiratory system is absent, circulatory system is absent. Reproduction, which is occurred by means of the fragmentation, that's a asexual method, means the fragmentation and the sexual method is the organism which is included in the phylum Platyhelminthes. They are the hermaphrodite, means a male and the female both it is present in the one and the same individual. Fertilization, it's a internal development is a indirect, and mainly the larval stages is a significant characteristic is the body it is unsegmented. Dorsi-ventrally flattened body is there except the tapeworm. So you can see the body it is the unsegmented body is there. There is a presence of the flame cell, that is a protonephridia is there. The parasites it's having the hook, so there is a presence of hook, and the sucker is there. Some absorbs the nutrient from the host through their body surface. Hope so you understood it. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel.